Welcome Primary 5, Ms. Tiba Ahmed is with you. Today we will continue in Unit 2, Concept 2, Lesson 3. In this lesson we will continue talking about the rotation of the Earth around its axis. But today we will know that the Earth rotates around its axis in high speed, which is 1,600 km per hour. Can you feel this speed of the Earth? No, you cannot feel it. Why? Because you are moving in the same speed of the Earth, which is 1,600 km per hour. For example, if you are riding a car and this car is moving in speed equal 100 km per hour. So your body is moving in speed which is equal 100 km per hour. Can you feel this speed? No. Why? Because you inside the car and both of you are moving in the same speed. To understand more, if you are sitting in your car and there is another car beside you and both of the two cars are moving in the same direction and in the same speed. And if you look to the car beside you, you can see what? You can feel that both of you are not moving. Why? Because both of you are moving in the same speed. So we cannot feel the movement of the Earth or the speed of the Earth. Why? Because we are moving in the same speed of the Earth. Movement of object in the sky. At first, any object float in the space, we called it celestial body. We called it what? Celestial body. So Earth, Sun, 8 planets, Moon, all of them, we called it celestial body because it float in the space. And as we said before, the Sun rise in the east and set in the west. And as we said before, why we can't see the Sun, the planets, and the stars are moving across the sky? Yes, because the Earth rotates around its axis. And also, we said in lesson 1 that the movement of the shadow is depending on the rotation of the Earth around its axis. And let's understand this point. The sun causes the formation of shadow of objects on Earth. Okay? As we said in lesson 1, if you are in the north direction and the sun in your east, so you are in the early morning, right? And if the sun above you, so you are in the noon. If the sun is in your west, so you are in the late afternoon. Okay, look at this picture. As you can see, that's the shadow of the tree. From the movement of the shadow, we can know in which time we are in the day. Why? Because the sun position is a change. Because the earth rotates around its axis. Sometimes the sun in the east, then above you, then in the west. And that causes the change of the shadow. Okay? The shadow is formed when some of the light of the sun blocking from reaching to the surface of the earth. As you can see, this tree is blocking some of the sunlight from reaching to the surface, so it causes a dark area which is called shadow. Okay, in the noon, the sun is very high from you. Okay, and when the source of light is high from the object, it makes a short shadow. You can try it at home by opening the flashlight of your mobile and put your hand between the wall and the flashlight of the mobile and make your hand close. Make the flashlight close to your hand. You can see the shadow of your hand is become bigger. Make the flashlight of the mobile far from your hand. You can see that the shadow of your hand is become smaller. The same. In the noon, the sun is high from us in the highest point, so it make the shortest shadow. But in the early morning and the late afternoon, the sun is near to us or low, so it make longer shadow. So in the noon, the sun is high, so it make a short shadow. In the morning and in the afternoon, the sun is low, so it make the longest shadow. Thank you for listening. Miss Hima Ahmad was with you.